Okay, now this bolt a 14 millimeter. Get your 14, and we're about to take this off. It's two of them, one up top and one at the bottom right here. Take them out. You're gonna take this off and rest it up here. For now, we're about to take these two bolts out for the caliper bracket. These two bracket bolts, they are 17 millimeter. Get your 17 millimeter and let's take them out. Take this one out and this bracket come off. All right, take this out. Now we could take the rotors off. Get the rotors out. And what you're gonna have to do is, you see that dust cover thing right here? You're gonna take it out of this one and put it in the new one. Okay? You just push out. Push it out with a screwdriver and put it back into the new one. Because the new one do not have one. See? Right here. Alright? Go ahead and do that. You just get a screwdriver and you put it in this hole and you push it out. Now we're about to put it in this one. Right here. See this? Right here. Right here. You just push it in. Just like that. See that? And you could kind of get this out of here. Just like that. Alright? So now get your new rotors. Put them on. Just like that. Now we're about to put the bracket back in the back. This is the bracket right here. I'm going to show you how the brakes are in that groove. See that? That's how they need to go back in. Alright? Just like that. I'm showing you now because you might not see it on the inside. I'm going to show you on the outside. Alright? So let's put that bracket back in. Or if you want to right now, you can put the brakes in right now, but we're not. Okay, let's put the bracket back in. Take the brakes out. Take them out this, and we're about to put the bracket back in. The bracket only goes one way. Get your bolts, and we're going to start one of these holes. Let me see which one we're going to start. Start that one, and we're going to catch the bottom one also. And get your tool, and we're about to tighten. Tighten the bottom one also. Just like that. Okay, now this is on. Get your new brake pads. And what we're going to do, we're going to put some grease at the ends of all this, all around this, on both sides. Because it's going to slide into these grooves, and we want it to slide freely. Okay? All right. So get your brake grease, and we're going to put some on top of these. What I'm using, I'm not using the regular grease. I'm using this today. Super Lube to put on here. I'm just going to put some on here, and then I'm going to and then I'm gonna use my hand, and then I'm gonna use my hand to put it on. But I really don't. I could just leave it like this and do it on both sides. And we're gonna put it on both pads. Alright? And then when you do that, you just put it all over with your hand. Or if you want to get something to do it, you can. I'm just using my hands. Right there. You want the brake pads to move freely in here. So this one, I'm gonna put it in the back right here, and it just slides in. These brakes here, I like how they got this set up. You don't have to mess with anything. On these. But you know what you need to do right now though? You need to hit that subscribe button though. DIY Diagnostic and Repair. I bring you a lot of good videos. A lot of videos. So support a bro. It's free. If you want to see me keep bringing banger videos, let me know. Okay? So the brake pads are on. Now we're about to push the caliper in so we can put this back over it. Alright? Get one of your old brake pads and put it right here. And I'm going to use my old faithful right here to push this caliper back in. They got all kind of different tools. You just got to adjust this to where you got to put it on the inside. Like right here, it's too much. So you got to let it go in some. And then try it again. Still too much a little bit. This should be pretty good. And it goes down like this. See that? Like that. Not like that. I'm trying to give you a shot of what I'm doing. Okay? And when you get it in here, right here, you tighten this. And when you tighten it and you start screwing, this is going to push that in. So just keep watching. You can turn it with your hand and the caliper is going to go in. If it get too tight, because some of these might be tight, you get you one of these and you put it on this and you use that as a handle to help you go in easier. But it's pretty easy, so I can do it with my hand. Like right there, locked out, back it up. That's gonna fall out. And you see now, your caliper is pushed in. All right, so now we're about to put that over here. So get your and put it just like this. Make sure these is pushed in right here. You see these here? These here, you gotta push them in. Just like these two pins. These pins, you can grease them right here. You can pull them out. And I'm gonna pull them out. Just like this. See, there is no grease on top of it. So take whatever brake grease you have. I got this one. This one is pretty good, the Super Lube, and I'm gonna put some on here. Because you want these to be free to go back and forth in this caliper. You just push it back in this hole. Right here. Kind of spread it down so it could go in. Just like this, just push it in, it's a hole inside. Just like that, just push it in and it's gonna snap over that, just like that. See? Now we can be moved. You do the same for the bottom one. Pull it out and it's gonna come out of this rubber piece. Just like that, then you do the same thing. Do not mess up these when you pull them out. Pull them out one at a time because they go back in the same spot. Both of them is not the same. Alright, you put that in there and you come back in with it and you put it back in that boot. just like that. Boom. And the excess grease, you can wipe it off. All right, so those is lubed up. Let's put this caliper back over these brakes and push these in. You see how freely they go in now? And you push that in, and now we're going to put the 2 bolts back in. Now get the 2 bolts and start them by hand. One goes up here. You might got to adjust this and move it up and down to find the hole. Just like this back one, you're going to have to adjust it to find. And when you find it, get your 14mm, and we're about to tighten these bolts. Snug them also. That's the top. Let's get the bottom. And just tighten them up. Okay, they're tight. So now what we got to do is put the wheel on and drop the vehicle. These brakes is done. We just replaced the rear, back brakes, and rotors on this 2021 Toyota Camry LE. Okay? We'll catch you on the next one. DIY Diagnostic and Repair. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Big up to the Virgin Islands, St. Croix, St. Thomas, St. John, Cuba, Dan, Cecil. St. Croix, my island. Now get your rim and tire, and let's put the wheel back on. Just like that. Right there. Now get your bolts. Sometimes you gotta hold the wheel so it can be straight. Now these bolts gotta go inside a little hole in the rim. So when you tighten them up, make sure it goes in that little hole. Alright, you have to line them up. If you're still with me, you know what to do now. Hit that subscribe button. Get your 21mm, and we're about to tighten these up. Let's end this video. All you got to do now is drop the car off your jack. All right, catch your next one.